Hello there. Okay, so when times are tough and you can't use the Avarice website for some reason, if it's slow loading and you need to get in the lobby, you need to get some money in quick, the way you can do it is you can interact directly with the contract. Okay, so this is the way you do it. I'm going to leave all the details in the description of this video with steps. Okay, but if you follow along exactly like I show you in this video, it is very simple. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to get the contract address, the Avarice contract address. Okay, so I will leave this link in the description. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got Avarice BAVC and the contract is right here. Okay, so we need to copy that. All right, so you'll go to this link that I have in the description. All right, and then you'll copy this address. All right, so copy that. Then you will go to this address, which is actually the BUSD contract address. Okay, the token address, which I'll leave this in the description. And then once you're here, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so you can see down here it's got the little red thing, so you need to click on this, connect to web, and then select MetaMask. All right, and then OK. Now it's already connected to mine. Okay, but it might open yours up and you might need to approve it. Okay, but as you can see, it's now connected. All right, so once that's connected, the first thing we need to do is we need to approve the Avarice contract for spending from our wallet, basically. Okay, so we're approving funds, BUSD, to be used on their contract. Okay, so the spender address is the contract address, okay, for Avarice. All right, so that is what the spender address is. So we paste that in there. Okay, now the amount will depend on how much you want to approve this for. If you only approve it, for example, $100, and then tomorrow you want to put in another 100, then you're going to have to come and approve it again. Okay, so I'm going to put it in for 2,000. Okay, so then I know that covers me for a few days. Okay, now the way that you do this, you have to put in the 2,000 like this. Oops, let me just go back here. 1, 2, 3, so that's 2,000. All right, and then you need to add 18 zeros after that. No decimal point, just 18 more zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay? So you've got 2,000 and then 18 zeros. Now we click on write. Okay? Click on write, that'll bring up the MetaMask. You need to confirm that. Okay? Now that we've confirmed that, just make sure that that's gone through. Got to make sure that this is actually finished, okay, before we go to the next step. So we'll just wait for this to approve. It should be reasonably quick. There we go, it's done. Okay. Now that we've approved the spending, okay, we've approved it. Now we can go back to the Avarice contract, okay. And the first thing you need to do is you come down to Enter Lobby. Okay, so when I give you this link, it will actually automatically go to Write Contract. Now you might need to connect again. If you might need to connect your wallet again, so just click on this Connect. Okay, see if I'll just reload this page, and you can see now it's gone back to the red. So you'll see this. Okay, so I've just got to connect again. Okay, select MetaMask. Okay it. All right. Now, if you don't see that OK button the first time, just after you've clicked this one time, reload the page again, all right, and then click on the red again, and then you will get that pop-up box. Sometimes it takes 2 times to do that, okay? So now that that's connected, we need to come down to Enter Lobby. Now, a refer address, so if you're using somebody's referral address, okay, you can add it here. So I'm just going to go to somebody in my group because I do referrals. I use people's referrals every day, and I'm going to grab one here. okay, from my group. So like if you're part of my Discord group, or you want to join and you use my referral link, you can post a screenshot that you've used mine, and then I'll use yours back. Okay, so I'm just using somebody's here. And right, okay, so I've got the referral address. So in the referral address, I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, and now the amount. Okay, the amount that I want to enter the lobby with. Okay, because we're entering the lobby. Okay, the amount. Now the same principle, you've got to put the amount and then the 18 zeros afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to add in, let's say, I'll put in 200. Okay, and then I'm going to, let me just make sure I've got 200 BUSD in my wallet first. I think I have. There we go, 202. Okay, so I'm going to put 200 here, and then remember the 18 zeros. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Actually, you know what? I can't use that referral address because I've already used one on the same address, the same account. Okay, so that's okay. I'll do that after. This is just for the tutorial. I'll just show you this. Okay, so we've got the 200 in here. We've put the 18 zeros after the 200. Okay, and we've got our referral address. So if it's you, you're just using a referral address on that same account, on your own account. Okay, and then all we're going to do is click write. Now, if everything goes well, click on write. We should have no issues with this, and we haven't. Okay, you can see here, we just confirm it, so there's no errors or high gas or anything. Okay, and we just confirm. Okay, and I'll just check that. Just make sure that goes through. Okay, it's gone through. Okay, so just to recap, first thing you need to do is you need to approve the Avarice contract to be able to spend money from your wallet. Okay, it's like any other dApp. Okay, so you come here and you'll put in the Avarice contract address and then the amount that you want to approve it for. This could be any amount, depends how many. But if you only put in for a small amount and you plan on going in the lobby again and you want to use this contract again, you're going to have to do this all again. So you put in a decent amount. Okay, and then once you've approved it, you come to the actual Avarice contract, and this is where you put in the referral address. If you've got somebody you're using, put that in there, and then you've got to put your amount in here plus the 18 zeros, no decimal point. Okay, now to prove this has worked, I'm in the lobby here. Okay, I've got 280 right now, and we just added 200. Okay, I just added another 200. So if I refresh this, this should now be 480. Okay, so I'll just refresh. Hopefully it's going to refresh. I think there's a lot of issues with loading right now, but let's hope that it does. And 480. Okay, so it's worked. So it's as simple as that. I'll leave the details in the description for the contracts, but just follow along with this video and you'll be fine. See you in the next one.